Hi, everyone, welcome to my channel again. Today, I am going to share about Muda, Mura and Muri. Before watching, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. What is Muda, Mura and Muri? Muda is the Japanese word for waste. Mura is the Japanese word for unevenness or variation. Muri is the Japanese word for overburden. Muda is any activity that consumes resources without creating value for the customer. Describing waste is not as easy as one might think. Waste appears throughout organizations and is often mixed with non-waste. There are 8 types of waste. The 8 wastes include defect, overproduction, waiting, non-utilized skill, transportation, inventory, motion and extra processing. Defect. Defect is a work or part that contains errors or not meeting the required standard, causing rework or scrap, which consumes more resources and time. Overproduction. Overproduction is making more of a product than is needed by the next process or the end customer. Waiting. Waiting is delay, idle time before performing the next step in the process. Non-utilized skill. People are not leveraged to the potential and not appropriately put in place or developed. Transportation. Multiple or unnecessary movements of people's, parts or handling of info that cause delays and not add value. Inventory. Excessive raw material, WIP or finished goods. Motion. Excessive or unnecessary movement of a person or machine to perform the operation. Extra processing. Unnecessary or additional steps, work elements, procedures or efforts that create no value. Mura is the Japanese word for unevenness or variation. Mura is seen to cause muda. Variations in production or processing can lead to employees being overworked due to peak periods in order to meet demand, then becoming idle when demand drops. Having uneven workloads can also lead to work in process inventory accumulation and waiting. When employees are overworked, there is a higher possibility for defects to come out of the pipeline. Looking closely, the presence of Mura leads to Muda. Muri is the Japanese word for overburden. In business process terms, this is referred to as putting too much stress and strain on people and machines. Overburdening people and machines could lead to defects, and downtime, which can lead to excess work in process inventory and waiting. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you next time.